Welcome back, viewers. Now, Republic has accessed pages of Sushant Singh Rajput's diary. The notes penned down by the late actor completely busts the suicide theory being pushed out by a certain section of politicians as well as the other lobby as well. In fact, the pages of the diary includes plans of the future, including his career and companies. We'll also, in fact, discuss more on this with our guests at this point. Joining me on this broadcast is Swapnil Kothari, who's a senior lawyer, as well as Yogita Bhayana, who's a social activist. Swapnil Kothari, to you first. We have seen how from the beginning of the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, there was a narrative that was being built as to how he was depressed, how this was a suicide case. But if we look at the pages of the diary of the late Sushant Singh Rajput, it clearly signifies as to how he was a planner. He had his goals and ambitions set. So clearly this does not look like a diary of a person who's depressed.
Richa, you're absolutely right. This is not the diary of a person at all who is depressed. This is, in fact, a diary of a visionary, of a dreamer. He's had big dreams. He's come from a small town. He's already made it big to a significant extent, and he's dreaming big. I mean, look at all this legal aspects, money management, planning, strategy, Hollywood. He's obviously, looked 10 years ahead at every single instance, and he's planned his every step of the way. There is planning every step of the way. So there is no question that this man has ever committed suicide. I mean, even if you put it in before an investigating officer, to the most reasonable man, forget an investigating officer, any common person will also tell you that this is a, diary of a planner, of a dreamer. Forget a court of law or an investigating officer. So for anybody to suggest that this man committed suicide is an absolute eyewash or hogwash. There is no question. So, anybody who's perpetrating that theory of suicide is obviously compromised in some way, or is obviously doesn't want that, the real culprits should be out. So that's why the perpetuation of this sort of a theory which is being peddled. I mean, it's a no-brainer. There's no question. So this diary should be used in evidence. There's no question. And I hope the faster CBI gets hold of this diary, the better it is.
Absolutely. We'll also go across to Yogita Bhayana. Now, Yogita, we have seen from the beginning now how there is a clear narrative being set as to how Sushant Singh Rajput was depressed, how he had certain issues where he visited doctors as well. But if we take a very close look to these pages in the diary that we have accessed right from 2018 to 2020, very recently during the lockdown as well, he talks about his plans in Hollywood. He talks about companies he was setting up, in fact also involving his sisters, clearly dismissing the fact that he had any problems with the family or any kind of such things, because clearly his state of mind was extremely focused and he had plans set for the future. Yogita.
Not raised the way it has been raised right now. Very aggressive mode. However, I fail to understand why they could not. Definitely, they did not access these kind of diaries. Definitely, it's a full proof that this kind of a person cannot be, in depression, who was writing his vision, as mentioned by Sir also, that he was a visionary. And I also got to know, of course, I read somewhere that where he discussed the script of the movie a day before. I mean, how come? I mean, that narrative itself has been planted to our mind. The moment we heard about Sushant Singh, it was directly linked to suicide. I mean, without investigation, it was declared suicide. So, I mean, there's everything fishy about it, but now it has picked up. The real claims are coming out. The investigation agencies or whosoever is involved now, thanks to the station. But otherwise, the people like other have got into the details, getting the access to the diaries and testimonies of the people. I mean, where is the justice for a common person? Tell me then. If this is the fate of this case, of this person who's like loved by everybody, millions of people, this is individual gone. But what about the fate of a common man? Where is the justice for a common man in this country? I mean, it's far-fetched dream. So
absolutely.
I definitely want this guy, that Sushant should get justice for others now to become a landmark case.
In fact, that is what is being debunked here, Yogita, completely. If we take a very close look at his diary pages as well, it's clearly busts the myth as well as the suicide theory being pushed out. We thank both our guests, Swapnil Kothari as well as Yogita Bhayana, for joining us here on Republic TV.